Good evening, friends. I am Dr. Bharat Kukreti. I am a senior consultant intervention cardiology at Paras Hospitals, Gurgaon. Today we will discuss about heart problem manifestation, chest pain. So we all have experienced chest pain at some point of time. This is such a common symptom that everybody must have gone through it at some point. The important thing here is that chest pain may be associated with a wide variety of diseases, which may range from a very simple gastritis to a very lethal heart attack. So the problem with the chest pain is that we have to identify whether we are going through a heart attack or it's just one another chest pain. So this is what we will be discussing today. First of all, how your chest pain occurs in a heart attack. A heart attack patient will typically describe a chest pain of in a sensation of heaviness or squeezing or a burning in the central chest or the left side of the chest, which is radiating to either one arm or both arms or shoulders or jaw. It may be associated with a very profuse sweating and a sensation of restlessness, breathing difficulty, or sometimes patient may just faint. These all may be the symptoms of an ongoing heart attack. The important thing is that these symptoms can be because of heart attack, but sometimes heart attack can occur even without the proper symptom which you can identify. So then it becomes a difficult situation to identify how do we know that it is a heart attack. So once somebody is having a chest pain, he should first consult a doctor and get an ECG done and to see whether the chest pain seems to be of heart origin or something else. So what can this something else be? These something else, differential diagnosis of the chest pain may be apart from heart, this other structures like lungs, there may be bone, there may be muscular origin, and the chest pain may be of neurological origin. And sometimes just a simple gastritis can give you a very severe chest pain also. So out of all these probabilities, the heart disease probability is the most dangerous. So that's why once somebody have chest pain, it's important to rule out the heart problem first, so that life can be saved. So if somebody is having chest pain, first thing to be done is ECG, and it is to be seen by a qualified doctor to see whether the ECG is suggestive of a heart problem or not. There is one interesting fact here. Up to 50% of the first ECGs of the heart patients may be normal. So the first normal ECG does not rule out a heart attack. Diagnosis or ruling out a heart attack is a systematic approach which includes serial ECGs. Serial ECGs means ECG now, ECG at half an hour, ECG at 1 hour, ECG at 2 hours. There are several ECGs, and then afterwards cardiac enzyme test is done. So we will discuss about this diagnosis and treatment part of chest pain or rather heart attack in our subsequent video. Okay. You can contact me for your chest pain problems or any other cardiac related problems into Paras Hospital, Gurgaon, or you can contact me through Librate. Thank you.